If you have a BMW 535i or similar, the trunk, when you open the trunk lid, it flies open. I already fixed this one up. I'm gonna show what I did. So when you open the trunk, see, it slowly opens. But the problem was when you open the trunk, this trunk lid flies open. You feel like it's like a bullet wanna fly off its place. So the problem is these springs here, these tension springs. Just make sure you know that one of them is longer than the other. I changed both of them. They're easy to install. They're right here. Yeah, this area here snaps off. Right here, snaps out like this, as you can see it. I don't know if the sun is in the way. So right here, this is snaps in and it snaps out. And the one from the other side, there's a hook inside. On this side here, there is a hook. You just hook it in. This is just a slide in. You just put it in and you just put it in the hook and it goes inside. It's a tiny hook lock inside here. Okay, so you change both of them. That's the tension spring, that's the issue. So now you can see the trunk open and close. It doesn't fly open. Yeah. So that's very much it. You could order these two. There's one on this side and there is one on the other side right here. Inside here. Change both and you call it a day. So this car is fixed. Thank you for watching.